Alright, so I got the hatch in here because this thing also needs a wheel bearing. I already knew that this one had a bad wheel bearing in the rear. So I'm about to go ahead and change that out right now. Alright, so the rear ones is way easier. All you do is pop the wheel off, take off that joint there, and then after you take it off, it's like this little cap piece. You gotta take this off, and then you gotta take this axle nut off, and then this little thing is slotted. You can see it goes on there, but it's dumb easy to throw on too. So just toss this joint on there. Just toss this joint on there. Alright, there we go. Throw that on. You throw this on. Sorry if my angles are garbage. And then you just throw this on. Then after you impact that on, which I will proceed to do. I don't know what the spec is, but this thing is dumb strong, so then you gotta, okay, that's alright. Then you just notch it like an axle. This is the same size as the axle nut too. Yeah, that feels good. The other one didn't spin that freely. So yeah, you just notch that like an axle nut, and then where'd that cap go? Oh, take this cap, throw it on there, and then you throw that back on, and you throw your wheel on, and that's it. Yo, why is this happening to me? This freaking wheel bearing is bad now too. Alright, luckily this side is good. Oh, that's the noise that I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure that's my brakes. Alright, so I can go ahead and fix that right now though. So I don't know what the heck this is. Like a little bitty bolt on there. I don't even know if y'all can see that. It looked like a 10 mil, but it's I don't know. I have no idea how that's on there. But basically they had that on there instead of the right size bolt. So stupid. And yeah, these brakes, first of all, it was dry. They didn't put no lube on here, obviously. Goodness. And look at how worn down they are, and it was worn unevenly. Alright, y'all, so I got my brakes in. Say Hart brakes. This was R1 Concepts. I don't really know how they how they do their stuff. That's the pads right there, and here go the rotors. I'll go ahead and pull these. Bust this joint open real quick and show y'all what they look like. Alright, so I bought the black ones that are drilled and slotted. Don't too much care for them being slotted, or don't too much care for them being drilled, because as far as I know, it doesn't even really help anything, but the slots do help. But honestly, I feel like they probably ain't gonna really be too much better than like if you just got like the good AutoZone brakes or something like that. I don't even know what I have on this car, but well, yeah, they for sure Duralast. The pads are for sure Duralast. I don't know what kind of rotors I have, but here go the brake pads, just regular old brake pads. Slap these holes on. Alright, so I don't know if I'm tripping or if these brake pads really don't fit. It seemed like the little ears here are just slightly too big to for me to get the brake pad all the way in place. Let me see. Yeah, it's too hard to show y'all and record at the same time because I don't have a good light. But yeah, this crap is not going in. Alright, see? Dang, I don't think y'all can see. It still ain't going in. I grounded it a little bit, but it still ain't going in. This is stupid. I still can't get that one that I was grinding in there. So, I'm gonna just take the L on these brakes, on the pads, and just slap these old pads back on. And these craps is not even. I'm mad right now, truth be told. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and slap these old nasty looking brakes back on for now. I'm gonna know it. So my old brake pads slide right on there, so I'm thinking they probably just sent out the wrong brake pads, honestly. Look how bad my rotors was. Sheesh. Alright, so this car has like the slightest coolant leak, and before it was leaking right here from the housing, just barely leaking from there, but now it's leaking from, I don't even think I can show y'all, but it's leaking from the water pipe. So I don't know, I'm gonna try just loosening it and pushing it on a little bit more, pushing it down more if possible. I don't even know if I can do that and still get the bolts back in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and try that right now and see if I can fix that, because that crap is a pain. But I don't know, it almost looked like it might still be leaking from the housing too. So I'm gonna clean the housing, and if it start looking like that again, then I know that it's still leaking from there too. So I tried to fix my coolant leak yesterday. Ended up making it even worse. And then just lost all my coolant basically right now. Backed the car out. Or I went to back the car out, but it was leaking a ton, so I cut it off. And it just wouldn't stop leaking, so I pushed it out into the driveway. And tried to take this crap off and put it back on. Hopefully it ain't gonna leak no more, but you already know with my luck, it's probably gonna still be leaking a little bit. But let me see. Yeah, because it's already leaking again. So I don't know, I guess I need to replace the O-ring on there, but the O-ring that's on there right now looks perfectly fine. It don't look like there's nothing wrong with it, but this crap is just, I don't know. So now I have to figure that out. Still haven't got to see what my brakes is gonna do. I'm pretty sure this one is grinding. Yeah, it is. I don't know about the other side. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to real quick start the car, pump the brakes, and cut it back off. That probably ain't gonna solve nothing. But yeah. Alright, so I guess maybe it was pinched. I don't know. But I gotta replace this crap. Mostly mad because I was trying to do something right now and now I can't. And then I gotta buy more coolant. That's another pain. And what else? That's pretty much it. It's not really, I mean, hopefully this freaking even works, because I don't know. Alright, y'all, new day. Bleeding the coolant again. You see it on the damn side. When I came out this morning, it was like all the way down. This hole just collapsed. Yeah, back at it again. Alright, so I still ain't had a chance to see how these brakes feel. So I've been freaking messing with this car, bleeding the coolant and all that. Then I was just busy. I've been real busy, so finally about to jump in this thing and drive it. See how these brakes actually feel. They probably, I mean, I'm assuming they ain't gonna really feel too much better because I still got the same pads on there. I have to replace these pads. But I do have brand new rotors on there. It's drilled, slotted. It should feel slightly better with those rotors on there because I know those old ones was warped, but we're gonna see. So I know they ain't broken in yet or nothing, but brakes don't really feel much different. And I'm pretty sure the feeling is probably just gonna slightly change, so yeah, probably ain't gonna do nothing. Probably gonna feel exactly the same. I actually want to turn right here. Well, I don't know, that felt pretty good. I guess they do feel better. It feels a lot smoother, that's for sure, because the old ones were so warped. Like, this car is taking forever to warm up. Like always, that ain't nothing new. I just want it to be warm enough so I can crack VTEC one time. Just enjoy my life for, what, 10 seconds? Or it's warm enough now. Brakes actually feel a lot better, surprisingly. Like, considering literally all I did was change the rotors, I didn't even change the pads. That's a huge difference. Really aggressive downshift. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I'm really surprised. I'm finna do something crazy. Oh, my car rubs quite a bit.
But that's pretty much it, man. That's all I got for y'all right now. The next video is gonna be a good one. The one after that is also gonna be a good one. But yeah. That 3.4 was so perfect, dude. Literally right when it hit limiter, pop, I shifted. I love when I get my shift perfect like that. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah.